guys, my name's Alana, and today I'm going to be making my mom's request, sweet potato fries. We're going to be starting off with cutting our sweet potato fries into 1/4-inch slices. Soak the fries in some cold water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, pat dry your fries. Now I'm going to be putting the fries in the bags with the ingredients. Once we coated the fries, I'm going to be putting in the pan and tossing it in the oven. By halfway through cooking, we're going to be flipping the fries. We're going to put it back in the oven. Now that our sweet potato fries are done, time to salt them. I know my mom likes it with ketchup.
Hey everyone! Oh. Yum, it looks so good.
She loves sweet potatoes. How is it?
It's so good. Yeah, you guys really need to try this recipe out.
She requested this one because she really loves sweet potatoes. And she was starting to eat it when it was baked. If you have tried one of my recipes, don't forget to comment down below.
And be sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.